The Tysons Community Circuit is a planned 4 3/4 mile urban loop trail through the Tysons community. It's intended to be, again, multimodal to serve all types of non-motorized transportation, bikers, walkers, and joggers. It was first identified and described in the 2014 Tysons Parks System Concept Plan. It also required collaboration with nonprofit community organizations such as the Tysons Community Alliance.
The Tysons Community Alliance is a urban place management organization that was founded a little bit over a year ago as a public-private partnership between Fairfax County and private stakeholders like landowners and residents. And we have work streams that include transportation, placemaking, and communications and marketing. So the TCA sees the community circuit as a game changer for Tysons, as something that stitches disparate parts of Tysons together.
Equity is a very important goal for the county, part of the county's One Fairfax policy. And again, we see this as an opportunity to provide access for all users of all abilities, of all incomes. There's no charge to come out and use this facility again for being active, being out. So again, we feel that this is something that will be accessible to all individuals.
The circuit was designed to be a lively, active place for people to gather and move about Tysons. It's made of 3 parts. The first part is the sidewalk, which is 10 feet wide, and the width is really important because it needs to be wide enough to accommodate pedestrians and other users. It also needs to be wide enough so that people can socialize and gather and talk to one another. The next part is the part in between the sidewalk and the curb, and that place is meant to provide comfort for the users. It has things like benches, like what I'm sitting on. The design of the circuit is meant to be elegant but not over the top. It was anticipated that it would take several years to build, so we chose materials that were durable, moderately priced, and widely available.
This is our opportunity to fundamentally reshape Tysons, improve mobility, enhance public life, boost economic development. This is our competitive differentiator. This is what world-class districts do.
We want you to reach out to Tysons Community Alliance website. They've got information. We want you to come out to Tysons, get to know, see what's happening in Tysons. Come and see the circuit.